All over the world, we are witnessing increasingly frequent and violent weather phenomena. The main causes are current lifestyles, which have considerably accelerated the degradation of our ecosystems. Aware of environmental issues ahead of its time, for more than 20 years, CONDAT has been committed to developing solutions that are more respectful of individuals and the planet. This requires building an offer that reduces the impact and risks of our activities, such as the development of biodegradable products, concentrated products, fire-resistant products, and eco-label products, using renewable raw materials as much as possible. Our responsibility is to preserve people, nature, and its four elements: water, fire, earth, and air, by reducing the impact and risks of our activities and also your activities on the ecosystem. Each of our markets naturally associates with one of the four elements to reflect our commitments to society. Water for metalworking, fire for steel, forging, glass, and quenching, earth for maintenance and tunneling, and finally, air for wire drawing. As a symbol of cooling, water is naturally associated with the metalworking industry, for which reliable temperature control remains a priority. When looking for the most efficient cooling solution, our ambition is not only to guarantee you a high level of performance, it is also to provide you support towards a responsible performance that takes into account social and environmental issues. To achieve this, we provide solutions that allow you to increase your productivity, because the economic dimension is essential to sustain any activity. Reduce your consumption by consuming less, but better, while respecting people and the environment. Employees are the company's greatest strength. Protecting them and nature is a necessity. Increasing your productivity responsibly means, for example, guaranteeing less tool wear with gains of more than 30% with the Mecha Green range. Based on synthetic esters of vegetable origin, these machining coolants offer outstanding lubrication and detergency thanks to the polarity of their molecules. Tools are better lubricated and your lubricant consumption is reduced by 50%, allowing you to perfectly control your budget. Finally, the machines remain clean for a more pleasant working environment for end users. It is also to help you get the most out of your facilities by reducing maintenance downtime. Applied for the lubrication of slides and cold heading operations, Extrubliss products eliminate the cross-contamination problems generally encountered on cold heading machines and can double the life of your baths in service. The best waste is no waste. Using the right quantity while maintaining high performance is the winning challenge of our micro-lubrication ranges. Green Flux for machining operations, and Condaform for deformation operations. Most of the time, they allow the elimination of degreasing processes that consume water and energy. Reducing your consumption also means reducing the oil waste due to carryover on parts. Our neat green ester-based refined neat oils reduce this phenomenon by 30% while providing superior lubrication compared to standard oils. But guaranteeing responsible performance also means ensuring the neutrality of products. CONDAT offers formulas free of dangerous or controversial compounds, such as formaldehyde release agents, secondary amines, or DCHA, whether free of amine, boron, or biocide. Our Polybio or Mecha Green formulas offer your employees a healthier working environment. This is also true for our neat green refined neat vegetable oils, which do not show any H3O4 labeling, even at the lowest viscosities. Due to their low volatility compared to traditional oils, they help limit the release of VOCs in the workshop's atmosphere. And as we live in a world where resources are not infinite, we limit the use of fossil components by selecting renewable raw materials. Thus, for the same performance, the use of our vegetable-based Extrubliss oils allows us to reduce by 70% the amount of fossil carbon in our products. Our ambitions are high-reaching, and we can count on our main strength, our multi-specialist DNA. It combines our strong and dedicated R&D, marketing, and sales teams for each of our markets. In our company, there is no partitioning. We encourage mobility, the exchange of best practices, and, above all, development ideas based on eco-design principles. We are experts in about 30 different technologies, particularly in extreme applications, and the synergies between the teams are working wonders. Our teams are energized to meet the major challenges of the future, your challenges, and those of our environment. Innovation is the only solution, and we're making it our fifth element. For more than 20 years, our researchers have been using vegetable bases to develop biodegradable chainsaw oils. By capitalizing on their knowledge of vegetable esters, they have discovered a new field of application in machining operations. And so was born the first eco-responsible cutting fluids with Mecha Green range. This is just one example of our synergies. We are working every day to reinforce them to help us meet tomorrow's challenges head-on. So together, let's help change the world.